Okay, this is question number 22 out of chapter 4 in the ThinkDO book. And of course, because part A and part C have the asterisk next to them, we know the answers are in the back of the book. But I'll still walk somebody through this because you might be a little stuck. So suppose a box contains 12 marbles. So no, there's 12 marbles in the box. And then when I'm sampling with replacement, once I take a marble out, I'm putting it back in. So the denominator will not change here. So if 2 marbles are selected with replacement, what's the probability that one is red and the other is yellow? So the first way I could take one out is I could say there are 3 red. So what if my first marble, so I write 13, yes. My first marble is a red marble, and that's out of 12. And then the other thing that I want to pay attention to, see where this probability, this is and, so what I'm going to do is multiply 2 probabilities. So since I'm putting the marble back in, it's going to be over 12 still, and let me drag that over so I'll make it look more centered. And then let's see, one, and the other one's yellow, and I'm seeing there are 5 yellows. Okay, so that's one way. If the first marble is red, the second marble is yellow. I could also have it come out this way, and I'm going to use the word or, okay, because it could be this way, or I'm going to draw a yellow one first, and then a blue one second. And because I use the word or, I'm going to add these 2 probabilities. And what really happens here, it's just the same as, I mean, people that are going to notice this. It's really, I mean, another way I could do this is I could say it's 2 times 3 over 12 times 5 over 12. Because it's the same, because I'm multiplying, it doesn't matter which way you order them, okay? And then you just got to do the arithmetic to get past simplified, and I'll let you do that. Now, what happens if I'm not replacing the marbles? I'm not putting them back in. So it's the same kind of deal. I know I'm going to find 2 probabilities, and I'm going to have to add them. But what changes with this one, if I have 3 red marbles at first, I'm not going to put it back in. That means there's only 11 marbles left in the bag or in the box. And then the same deal will go happen over here. It's going to be 5 out of 12 times 3 out of 11. And if you do the arithmetic, right, if you multiply, it's going to be the same as 2 times 3 over 12 times 5 over 11. So I'm still multiplying the same numbers. Okay. Now, if 5 marbles are selected without replacement, what's the probability all of them are yellow? Well, for the very first marble is 5 out of 12, 5 yellows out of 12. Now, let's assume that I took the yellow marble out. There's only 4 of them left, and there's only 11 marbles left in the bag. And then 3 out of 10, and 2 out of 9, and 1 out of 8. And that's 5 marbles, 5 draws. I just have to multiply all those fractions. I'll get the answer. So that's how you do this kind of problem.